Hello and welcome to FX Full Academy. Welcome to this week's market forecast. What we are looking at FX Vol 80. As usual, we are bullish. We can see that last week's candle went out and took out last week's high. We then came back and closed inside it. But then we violated that CRT high, right? You still remember that because that CRT high was violated, then I was expecting the market to continue higher. So as you can see, the market went high and then we came and closed inside. So we will be continue with that bullish scenario whereby we'll be continue to look for the market to go higher. Therefore, our target will be last week's high. So what we'll then do is we'll then drop to our 4-hour chart. What we're looking at for this week, our target is that last week's high, and then eventually we'll go to those equal highs. So this is our target for the coming week. We're targeting this high right over here. All right. So we'll go down to the 4-hour chart and see how the market has been playing out. So if you have watched the series that I'm posting for market structure, you will then see that if you were looking at this, we have a low over here that took out this high, but then we don't count this because these were wicks. But then from here to there was one leg, meaning we're the dealing range over here. The market retrace and with these strong lows, they were not supposed to be violated. Therefore, we had a fair value gap over here. The market tapped into that and then it pushed higher. We then broke those highs, right? That's market structure. You have this low to that high. This low is protected. Therefore, when the market was retracing, it came into a breakout block and then we then had another push higher. Failed to take out the high, we then dropped back and then we took out the high right here, right? Now we are between this low and that high, and the market then came back. We have a protected low over here and the market just tapped within that area, and now we are looking to continue high. So what we are looking at the moment for this week, we are looking to catch buying trades going into that high over there. That's our goal. Our goal is to get into that high. And then what did we say from that lesson of market structure? After a high is taken, we're expecting a pullback anytime from then, right? Market goes, then we have this. So now at the moment, we are looking for the market to go to that high. So we know that this low is protected. This low, we don't know whether it is protected or not up until that high goes. So we don't have a higher low at the moment right here. So what then happens is that we are still waiting. The market can still play around, come back, and then move higher. But our overall direction is bullish. Therefore, we should be looking for opportunities to do so. Right? At the moment, I can see that the market pulled back into this fair value gap and this order block. But the extreme part of the order block it is still intact. The market seems to be struggling to go high. So I'm assuming that they are building liquidity just above this order block. And I can see that the market tapped into this order block. As it went high, it came back, it tapped. There was a lot of volume here. The market went high aggressively. The market come back and then it fails to move aggressively again. That tells me one way or another that I need to expect this area to be tapped into if all goes accordingly. So if the market is struggling to go higher than these highs, I might assume that this is a liquidity build up. The market might want to tap into this area, then start pushing higher. So that is one of the things that I am watching at the moment, that the market comes back, tap into this low, and then we can go higher. So let's look at 1 hour. How does that look? So if you're looking at the 1 hour chart, I can see that this is a nice, beautiful zone that the market can come into, and then we can have a nice, decent move. And now it is going to be high probability because it even has liquidity build up just above the 1 hour zone. So this will be something that I'll be interested to trade. Market taps into this area, I can buy this, targeting those highs, and then eventually that high. So this is what I was talking about. So if you're looking at this side of the market and you're looking at the market structure of the 1 hour chart, you will then see that we got a market structure shift above the swing high. We then dropped into this order block. We then moved high. When this was protected, the market came back, didn't violate the protected low. The market moved higher aggressively. Now we came back. This low is not protected yet because we didn't take out that high. Therefore, we still have that leisure of the market coming back, taking out this low and tapping into this area. Then we can start looking for our price going higher. So that's what I'm looking at on this pair. I am bullish, extremely bullish. Just need to be in the right zones to be able to buy to the opposite side. So with that being said, last week I also looked into FlipX 1, and I said to you guys that the market needs to come to this inverted fair value gap. Then from there the market should move higher, and that is what happened. The market tapped into this inverted fair value gap and it filled it completely, and then the market rejected. This week, what are we looking at? We are looking this inverted fair value gap has given us what we were looking at. Now we are looking for the market to push higher up until we reach those highs. So all of this is intact. The market just played just the way that we were looking at, and it is happening as we have looked at it. So at the moment we are looking at this week. This week our targets are these highs. We're just only trading to go up until these highs, but we know that that is our ultimate high. But our low hanging fruit at the moment, it is these highs. So we want to trade from this low to that high. All right. So let me check this out. Yes. So at the moment I have a consolidation over here. The market dropped. We have a consolidation. We are looking for the market to move high. Remember, we have this area which has a fair value gap plus an opposite candle, which is an order block, and then below this we have a breakout block. Within this breakout block we have this weekly inverted fair value gap. So I'm looking for this market to move high. So what can happen, it is that before the market goes higher, right now we are building liquidity. The market can sweep all this liquidity and then we can move high, continue with our trend going higher. All right. So from that only, we know that these highs and these highs, that is our target. That is our nice target, those highs on the buy side. So the market can come, take out liquidity, then we can start looking to buy this market to the highs. And also we have this order block over here on the 1 hour chart, and then we have all this liquidity just above this order block. So I'm assuming that the market might give us a run to these lows, tap into this order block, and then we might see a nice sustained move to the highs from this pair. So until we speak again next week, do trade well and be safe.